Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube, Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about volume on consolidations, what to look for, what's normal, what's not normal, and what we can learn from studying the texture of the volume. I have a tweet here, and this is Volume Basics, Lesson 33 from Trading Wisdom. And talked about the idea that obviously the most volume comes to the top and the bottom of a chart, but in a consolidation, most volume happens on the advance, and then volume slowly trails off until the pattern completes. And what's interesting here, it says, watch the volume on the red versus the green candles. So why is that important? Well, we get the most volume on the advance, on the breakout, and on the flagpole, right? You see the most volume, and the volume will normally slowly trail off. You have this trend of volume, and then you look for a break of the volume trend when the pattern completes. Now, what you want to watch for is counter trend volume. So this is an uptrend. It's priced with the rising EMA 8. We just had a move up, and it's a bullish consolidation. What you want to watch for is volume on the red candles. So if there was big volume on these red candles, on this spinning top and this doji and this other spinning top, that would be a warning sign. That would be what is referred to as counter trend volume. In theory, the volume should be lower on the red candles and stronger on the green candles in a bullish consolidation, reflecting that there is accumulation and the trend is likely to continue. So the general rule of thumb is that volume starts out high on any type of advance that's in a consolidation, and it will slowly trail off until it completes. So people say, oh, look, it's volume is trailing off. Isn't that bearish? No, that is normal because this is all digesting this prior move on less and less volume until volume breaks out, ideally confirming the breakout. Strong green volume, ideally on a bullish breakout in a bullish consolidation. So pay close attention to the volume trend. Look for counter trend volume if it's a bullish consolidation. Look out for counter trend red volume if it's a bearish consolidation, like a bear flag. But there's big time volume on the green candles. You might have some sneaky accumulation going on here, and you might have some type of bear flag failure. So you want to pay close attention to counter trend volume. Understand that volume starts out high, and then it will trail off while the pattern consolidates and digests the prior move, and then you get a break of that trend. This is part of the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube, Cheds Trading. I'm on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. Talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.